Welcome to Property Drone. Today we are here at the Mahindra Ivy Lush in Kharadi, where homes are designed for wholesome living. I am Nupur, and in today's video I will take you through the project details, sample flat and amenities. This project is spread across 5.5 acre of land parcel with 5 towers having a configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. It is structurally spread with 2 basement, 3 podium level parking and 31 habitable floors. This project has 40 plus amenities. Now, let me take you to the walkthrough of the sample flat. Now, I'll be taking you through the 3 BHK, which is of 1237 square carpet area. Entrance, you'll be provided with a wooden door frame and a security lock. Let's have a look inside. Now, as you enter, you'll have an entrance lobby with the unique feature of deep niche in some of its corners. Moving ahead, you have a L-shaped living and dining area. So, let's look at the living area. This living area is very comfortable with providing ample amount of space for your TV unit to be situated, and with that a variety of sofa arrangement over here. Moving forward to the dining area, over here you can accommodate 6 to 8 people very easily, giving an ample amount of space for the movement where you can serve the hot meals. Now coming to my favorite space, this spacious balcony where you get the corner for your swing, and also if you are a plant lover, there's always a room for you too. Opposite to your dining area, this is kitchen. A lot of space for your appliances, sink, kitchen hob and chimney. As you can see, they have provided the upper cabinets and the lower cabinets for all your kitchen necessities. They've also given you a space for dry balcony where there is a provision for a washing machine and a dishwasher. As we move forward to the bedroom, this is a butterfly layout where you get 1 bedroom on a side and remaining 2 on the other side. This can be your guest bedroom where a queen size bed can be accommodated with a study table, a side table and a wardrobe. In spite of all this, you still have a leg space to move around. On this side, it's the window where the bottom part is fixed but the upper are movable. This is for the safety of your kids or the dogs. Along with the guest bedroom, they have an attached washroom. Please have a look. In the washroom, you have CP and sanitary fittings of Toto and Jaguar. Now moving further, this is a passage where it leads to other 2 bedrooms and a common washroom. This can be your kids' bedroom where it is giving a very bright and playful energy. Here as well, you have the same placement where the bottoms of the window are fixed and the uppers are movable. As mentioned earlier, this apartment has different niche corners and this is one of them. Moving further to the third, that is the master bedroom. This is where you have the place for your dream walk-in closet. The master bedroom is a sanctuary, complete with ambient lighting and a luxurious attached bathroom, a space to truly unwind. Attached to the master bedroom, this is a Juliet balcony where you get a corner to sit and wooden flooring. This was the sample flat for you, the Mahindra Ivy Lush. I hope you liked the video. If you have any kind of query, you can contact us or mail us on the given email ID.